Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorite ways to style my hair with this bobby pin clip trend that is going around. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. I'm sure by now you guys have seen bobby pins like these and bigger embellished ones and circle ones and all of the different kinds all over, and I know that a lot of you have been wondering how you can style them or if it's realistic for your daily life. So I'm gonna hop into that today. I will say that I think this is a trend that is more for women to wear for women, which, let's be honest, we don't get dressed for men anyway. But I think that men are not quite on board with this trend. So a lot of the bloggers that I follow have said that their boyfriends and husbands have asked them if they are toddlers and why do they have these barrettes in their hair. I know that Adam is like on the fence about this and doesn't understand the point of them, but who really cares, you know? Do whatever makes you happy, wear whatever hairstyles make you happy, and that is that. So I'm gonna link all of the sets that I've picked up so far, as well as a few other ones that I'll mention throughout the video. Different kinds that I either have my eye on, I've ordered but haven't gotten them yet, etc, etc. So let's get into the hairstyles. The beauty about these looks is that they are so simple. So the first one, I'm just going to part my hair on the side, whichever side you are more comfortable with. We're actually going to a wedding on Saturday, and I think this is how I'm going to wear my hair. So then I'm just going to gather the majority of the hair on the smaller side. And I want to make sure that I still have some. You can either take all of it in front of your ear or not. I like to leave just a little bit. And I'm going to take this hair and then you can just start pinning it. So I'm using all gold ones for this hairstyle, but you can use different colors, different shapes, whatever you want. That's the beauty of these hairstyles, is that you can do whatever. There are no rules. So that took just a couple of seconds. You can add however many or as few as you want. You can do different colors, different textures, different sizes, whatever you want. My hair is out of my face, at least on one side, and it was super, super simple. I've been doing this hairstyle for years, but usually I just put bobby pins in it to make it look as sleek as possible. But now I feel like this looks even more dressy. It's really pretty for a wedding. I'm going to wear statement earrings with my dress, so I just think this is elegant and pretty and so easy. For this next hairstyle, I'm leaving my hair parted to the side, and I'm just taking this front section that seems to always be in the way, and I am just kind of twisting it and pulling it to the side. And then I'm taking these little clips. These ones clip not like bobby pins, they actually open. So I am going to take a couple of those. That one is white. I have this one that's kind of more of like a gray marble. And then I have one that is just a plain gold. And I went every other one of which way I'm putting it into my hair. That helps secure it, but it also gives it a little bit of a different effect with the heights of them. So this one is getting my hair out of my face, which I love, and then just adding a little bit of something extra to the side of my hair. When I go to the gym, I obviously want my hair to be out of my face as well. So we're gonna do kind of the same thing as the last one. I'm just gonna kind of twist the top of my hair. I'm gonna take one of these gold bobby pin type ones and put that in there. And then you just take the rest of your hair and pull it back. You can do a messy bun, a ponytail, you could do like a low side pony. This one I wouldn't wear to the gym because I want it off my neck and everything, but this is just a really easy style. I've been wearing a lot of low side ponies recently just because it's so easy. But you can pull out pieces and everything and kind of like loosen it up however you see fit. And then you have just the metal here with a little bit of extra interest, but your hair is kind of out of your way, and I think it just adds a little bit of something extra. One of my favorite ways to get my hair out of my face is to do a side braid just down the front of my hair. So I'm gonna do that really quickly and then show you how I incorporate the clips in it once the braid is done. Which I shared a tutorial on how to side braid my hair, and it's saved on my Instagram story highlights on my profile. My Instagram handle is just @SarahBritheny. So if you want to see how I do my front side braids, you can see that over there. So now that I have my braid, I've kind of pulled it apart how I want it. I have it secured with an elastic, and essentially I just want to attach it to my head so that it will lay flat. So what I'm going to do is use a couple of the pins to do that. So you can start wherever, and I'm just going to put a couple of these in. And it's gonna kind of just flatten out the braid, which is totally fine. And since I do want to take this elastic out, I put the first one in going back. I'm gonna put this bobby pin in going the other way. And this is going to kind of secure the braid for me so that I don't have to worry about having the elastic in it. So now I can take the elastic out. And I am just going to put one more in. So there are no rules to this whatsoever. You can do as few or as many as you want. I personally really like the way that 3 looks, so that's kind of what I've been doing. But this is a really fun way to kind of secure your braid without having an elastic in it and just adding a little bit of something extra to the side of your hair. I feel like this hairstyle looks like it took way longer than it actually took. One of the other ways that I like to pull my hair back is just taking the front. I still have a little bit of this braid left, so I'm just gonna pull this. But even if it's not braided, you can just pull the front section of your hair back. And then I pull a little bit of the other side, and I just kind of pull it down into a low half ponytail. And I pull out some of the front sections before I secure it. And then I'm just going to secure it with bobby pins. So this hairstyle, you can't see them from the front, you can only see them from the back, obviously. This is another hairstyle I've done for years and years and years, and I've just used regular old, like the dark black bobby pins and just crisscross them in the back. But now I feel like this looks more intentional and pretty. I've also seen a lot of really, really pretty barrettes that are like circles with embellishments on them. I will link a few of those down below too, which I think is really cute to do if you have your hair half up. It's funny seeing the evolution of my hair getting straighter and straighter as I do these hairstyles. My hair just does not like to hold a curl. Anyway, this last hairstyle is one that I've been doing a ton over the past like 6-ish months with bobby pins. So I have a middle-ish part. I don't ever go like straight down the middle, but I go just slightly to the side. And I take the front section and just kind of twist it back. And then I'm going to secure it with one of these. These are the clip ones that actually open and close. And this is it. You can't really even see them unless you're looking down, but it's so easy to do. It's something that I do all the time. And now that I have these, number one, they're so easy because they just clip right in instead of having to do the crisscross trick with the bobby pins. And I just think that it is a little bit of something extra in case anyone does see them. they're just cute. A couple other ways that I've seen people wear them is a really pretty, like bigger one that's embellished, wearing your hair in a messy bun and putting it underneath, kind of to hold your baby hairs up. I think that is so adorable. I don't have any of those ones yet, but I'm sure I will be purchasing some, so I'll link some of those down below. I'm gonna link all of the sets that I have down below as well. And yeah, I'm sure there's a million other ways to wear this trend. These are just kind of the ways that I've been wearing it. So that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you're on board with this trend. Are you not on board? What's your favorite way that I showed to style it? Or is there another way that I didn't show that you think is really awesome? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.